Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new tool that I deployed here on my website. Basically it's a text tool here, utility tool. So if you want to split your text based upon various characters out there, let's suppose if I basically have a list of names here and I put a comma here in between names here. So you can see I just put comma after each name, put a comma here. So these are the names right here. If you see guys, if I zoom in here, this is the first name. And there you see a comma right here in between that name. This is the second name, Darren Mitchell. You can see the comma here. And then there is a third name, fourth name, fifth name. So each name has been separated by a comma here. So now guys, if you want to basically split this text into multiple lines here based upon the symbols. So now there is basically a second option in this tool which allows you to split by symbol. Spacing is by default. You can also see comma, semicolon, dash, plus, divide. Any symbol you can choose here from this drop down. For my scenario, there is this comma here. So now we will select comma here. So what will be the output for this tool guys right here? There will be, this text will be splitted right here. This name will be there in one line, then the second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. If I click the split text, and now guys, you see guys, basically the text has been splitted here into 5 multiple lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have a series of names guys which are basically divided by a comma here, you can split the text using this. And here we can even replace it by semicolon. It totally depends upon you. Spaces as well. If you have spaces right here. So if I select spacing here by default, now you will see that. So as basically it encountered the first space, it will transfer the name to a next line. You will see this will be in its own line because this is a splitting part right here because the space have took place right here. So that's why it is splitted into multiple lines. So we have basically various characters out there, ampersand, star, hash. So this tool is very much there. You can use this tool. The link is given. You can also purchase the full source code guys, how I deploy this tool. There is a semicolon right here. If I say now, you will see that. So if I basically show you how I built this tool guys, this is the directory structure you will get after you purchase the source code. The link is given. You can purchase it from Stripe or PayPal. All the links are given in Indian rupees or United States dollar. So split text. So here basically guys, we are loading a template here. Split text. This is the EJS template here. We have various, we first of all allow the user to enter the text in the text area. Then we have a select list. Basically all the characters are there, semicolon, plus, divide, all that stuff. And then we use little bit of JavaScript jQuery to basically split the text. So here we are using the split method guys based upon the symbol which is passed right here. This was a tool guys. Thank you very much. The link is given. You can try out.